So, you want to earn from your hobbies? Well, you came to the right place because here on Gank Studios, we teach you tips on how to make better content and earn from Gank. Whether it's with videos like these tutorials or conversations with fellow content creators, you'll learn a lot through Gank Studios. Hello, it's Manic Pixie Dani and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be giving you tips on how to get your first $100 on Gank. So if you're interested in that and earning, then keep on watching. As you can see, Gank Studios is made by content creators for content creators like you. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified and you don't miss out on any tips like these. Let's say you already know what Gank is. Your friends are on the platform, you keep hearing about it on Facebook or whatever platform, but you don't know how to start yet or make your first $100. So listen up because I'm gonna be giving you all the tips that you need to do to get started. There are 3 factors I want you to understand, so bring out your notes and listen carefully. The first aspect you need to work on is to have a good presentation. By having a good presentation, you can convert your fans into customers. Set up your profile to have a good profile picture, banner, and bio to look credible. Afterwards, it would be really great if you could set up your memberships, donation goal, services, digital goods, or even merchandise. So your fans have all these choices of how they can support you. The next aspect that I want you guys to work on is promotion or how to promote. Spread awareness to your fans by promoting your Gank page to your other social media platforms. You could share donation goals or listings to your stories and put the links in the stories as well. This would make it really easy and convenient for your audience to see what you're up to, and they would also see the stuff that you're offering for them. Last but not the least, I want you to keep posting. So your account is fully set up, but is your account active? It would be best if you can post regular updates for your fans in order to interact with them regularly. And the best part about Gank is that you can make public posts for free that anyone can see, or you can make exclusive posts that people can pay-per-view, which is an easier way for your fans to support you instead of higher maintenance memberships. So really, there's a lot of ways and styles that you can tackle this, but at the end of the day, the best way to achieve a goal is to start or get started. Now remember, you can do all of this for free because Gank lets you do what you love and keep everything you earn. However, if you want a lot more bonus perks and support from us, then you can also apply for our Boost or Boost Plus plan. This would allow you to enjoy speedy withdrawal, creator success manager, more membership tiers, bigger upload sizes, and a lot more. And if you'd like to learn more about these, then you can check out the link in the description or stay tuned for future videos. Anyway, I hope this short and simple video helps you out. If you have any more questions, let us know in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. I can't wait to see your content on Gank. See you around!